How to register your Starbucks card online. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can register your Starbucks card online. For this, open up any web browser, head over to starbucks.com, make sure to sign into your account by entering your credentials. Now, click on this account drop down and from these options, select Card Management. Once you get here, you have the option of Pay and Add. If you scroll down, you have the Add Card option. Click on this. Now from here, you can add a Starbucks card to order ahead, pay in store, and earn rewards. So go ahead and enter Starbucks card number on the first box. Once that is done, on the second box, enter your security code. The Starbucks card number is 16 digits and security code is 8 digits. Now, if you want to make this card your primary card, check this box. After this, you want to click on the Add Card option. If the details you've entered are correct, your card will be successfully registered. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.